Show your PPC advertisement on your competitor listing. Imagine how cool is that? Like all of the traffic, all of the people who are visiting your competitor listing will be able to see your ads, and if they found something unique on your listing like the price, reviews, image or quality, then they will purchase from your listing. So from this technique, you can basically divert the traffic from your competitor listing, any of your competitor, from your listing. Because at the end, the goal of every Amazon seller is to get more and more sales and make more and more profit. And to get more sales, you need to get more traffic, because the more people you will divert on your listing, the more sales you will get. So in this short video, I'm going to show you step by step everything, like how to find that competitor from which you can actually expect the sales. Because it's not like that you just pick up any of the competitor and target them in your ad, because if that competitor will be having good quality product than you, or you are not having any unique selling point, then you might end up losing money in that campaign. But if you watch this video, if you learn my strategy and implement and follow that exact same step, then believe me, this method will work for you and it will actually give you more extra sales than now. So that's why I'm saying you again, this is a short video, so don't skip any part. Try to understand the concept which I'm going to be telling you, and then after implement that concept and then see the results. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Amazon website and Amazon campaign manager from my seller center. So from the website, I have searched for a product, bath bomb, and then after searching, I can see some advertisement here. So basically you have to do the same thing. You have to go on Amazon and search for your product and find out your competitors. And then after finding your competitor, you need to find out that competitor who is having high price than your listing. For example, if you are selling for $25, then you will have to find a competitor who is selling for $30. So that means their price will be high. So people will be having a point to purchase from you, not from them. Then a second point, the competitor you are targeting must have lower reviews than you. For example, your listing is having 500 reviews, so you need to find a competitor like this having only 62 reviews, right? So that will be second unique selling point for you. Because if someone will search for that product on Amazon and they will be able to see their ad, their sponsored ad, that means this listing is getting good traffic. And when they will click on this listing, and then after clicking they will see your ad on that same listing, and they feel that you are selling the same product at lower price, having high reviews and having good quality, so they might have end up purchasing from your listing. So in that way you can just divert anyone's listing traffic from your listing, and you can just do it for one competitor, 2 or maybe 10 competitors, right? So let me just click on this listing just to show you how Amazon show one product ad on another listing, right? So this is a listing for that product which I have just clicked on first page of Amazon, and you can see that there's a title, price, rating, images, bullet points, and if I go further down you can see that I can see another product advertised on this same listing. You can see that Amazon is showing us consider a similar item, and this is the item having $19.99 price and reviews are 573. So basically this competitor has targeted this listing. You can see that their price are only $19.99, but this product price is $30.99 and their reviews are 62. However, their reviews are 573. But I'm not sure if this is the same product or not, but using the same strategy, you can just divert traffic from any listing to your listing, right? So all you have to do is, if you want to divert traffic from this listing, you have to simply copy the ASIN of this listing just like this. So I can just select here, copy that, and just go on my campaign manager, and from here I need to click on this create campaign. Then after that I have to click on this continue button on sponsored products, because I want to create a sponsored campaign. And then after filling out everything like selecting the product, set the campaign budget and campaign name, I need to go down, and then from this targeting tab I need to select manual instead of automatic, and then from this manual targeting I need to select product targeting, because I want to target product in this campaign, not keyword. Because in keyword targeting, if you target any keyword, so whenever someone go on Amazon and type for that keyword, they will be able to see your listing. But in this campaign, in this type of campaign, we need to target our product, because we need our ad to be shown on that product listing, right? So after selecting product targeting, you need to go down, and then under that product targeting tab, you don't have to select these categories. You have to select individual product, because here in this case, we want to target individual product, and then click on search and then paste that product ASIN, and then click on and then press enter. So then you can see that after I click on target, on the right side I can see this ASIN has been targeted into my listing and the bid is 0.26 because Amazon is showing me the suggested bid ranges from 0.21 to 1.3. So this is the suggested bid. So if I select that product and then create my campaign, then Amazon will start showing my ad on that listing based on that bid. Like if you have selected this bid and launched that campaign and after one day you will not be able to see your ad, then you can just come back on the same campaign and you can just adjust the bid, you can just increase the bid, or you can just go on the suggested tab and there you will be able to find some more competitor listing which Amazon is suggesting you, like they are having less reviews than your listing or they are having high price. So it's up to you if you keep adding all of those competitors one by one. So maybe from any one competitor you can start getting more sales. So later if you try 10 competitor and you can see 2 competitor from which you are getting good sales, so after 1 week you can just remove all of those 8 and just keep focusing on those 2 competitors which are giving you much sales. So see how cool this feature is. Like you can just open to target any of the competitor and show your ad on their listing and get their traffic. So right after watching this video, go there, implement this technique and let me know in the comment box below like how this technique works for you. And if you want to learn more techniques like this so you can keep learning, keep implementing on your Amazon PPC and start getting some good results, then watch my other videos in the same playlist of PPC which are completely free. And if you watch all of those videos, I think there are around 30 to 40 videos. So after watching all of those videos with full focus, you will become from zero to hero in Amazon PPC and you will be able to manage your Amazon PPC very effectively and get some good results and take your Amazon business to the next level. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.